Hello, Vanessa and Craig from Apple Patch. We've had a delivery, so we're going to do a bit of an unboxing. Woo. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Right, what have we got in the box? So we have got some beautiful remembering fabrics. So these are from Kingard and Kingard, and they do a lot of Australia-Arna fabric ranges. So I'll do that one last. Let's first start with this one here. Now I'm going to get Craig to crack the plastic. So this is a panel. I think it's got 6 squares on it, so you can either slice and dice it, or you can leave it as one section and just put some borders around it. So this is perfect for Anzac Day or Remembrance Day, but we did try to get these in so you've got enough time to make a quilt for Anzac Day. So can you see there, we've got the very traditional slouch hat, we've got the bugler, the lone bugler, the men on horseback, Poppy, and what else we got there? We've got the beautiful words that we all say on Anzac Day, and a biplane. So that is a I think it must be a 60 centimetre wide panel, and that would make up a really quick quilt with some borders around it. So for borders, what have we got? We have got now some sandbag fabric, beautiful field of poppies, and then we've also got the poppies with a black background as well. And then we've got 2 border stripes. The first one is, oh, they're upside down, is the walking soldiers. And we've also got so this one, again we've got up the right way now. So this one has stripes of tanks, ships and planes, and it is repeated twice over the fabric. So these are 2 stripes that could go around a quilt using a little bit of extra fabric, maybe just some red, orange, black as a bit of a coordinate to make a very basic quilt. And I'm actually going to make one up, so if you're interested in that, I will have a few kits available. And we also have, go on the back of it, a poppy wide back. How stunning is that? So this will be 108 inches wide. That is just beautiful. Now we've got another box. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, and it's a heavy box apparently. Oh, we have been hanging out for this. Okay, still back here behind all the fabric. What have we got? So this is our 4-wheel drive fabric. We ordered this
a while ago.
Quite a while ago. Many months. We were actually hoping for December delivery, but obviously COVID's still having its impact. But it's here now. So In Tassie, we love four-wheel driving, and we've got I think it's a 24-inch wide panel that has got four-wheel drives on it. Let's have a look. Oh yes, so we've got different types of four-wheel drives.
Got cruisers, jeeps, Land Rovers.
Look at that. Now these ones are actually already on our website. I haven't got the remembering fabrics up there yet though. Now what else have we got? Oh, we've got another big panel. Ah, this is a huge panel, this one. Other way. Oh, there we go. How cool is that? Oops.
Right. Send it that much.
There we go. So we've got the four-wheel drive.
Big Land Cruiser 79.
Craig knows his four-wheel drives. We've had a few over our time. So that is going to be fabulous. Again, you can make a nice easy quilt just with putting some borders around the outside, and your options include this fun stripe fabric that has got four-wheel drives and a bit of camping on there as well, and some tyres. There we go. So there's, how many repeats? One, two, three, four repeats. So if you're going to use it round the border of a quilt, you're just buying the longest length, and you'll get four strips to put round. Now we've also got some over prints with vehicles on them. So this one is four-wheel drives with a grassy background. And the next one is, hopefully actually you can see that without the light reflecting, is four-wheel drives with a mud, sort of like a mud background. We've got camping four-wheel drives. So they've got their flip-top tents. Yeah, they're rooftop tents. We've got tyres. Some dirt. Tracks. Lollies. And just some blue tyres. There's a bit of corn. Right, and a bolt of cream fabric that I needed for some projects. Okay, wow, that's exciting. So, as I say, the four-wheel drives are already on our website, and you can easily order those or come into the shop. I will be making up a quilt kit option for the four-wheel drives, or you can do your own thing, and same with the remembering fabrics. I'll have a quilt kit option as well. So you can get a nice little, probably lap-size quilt made up for Anzac Day, which would be a lovely gift for someone in your family who is in the forces. Okay, well, exciting. Bye.